Welcome back, all my fellow learners. I'm your friend Nabil, a simple engineer. I'm so glad that you are here for another tutorial. In this video, we are going to install Java on your Windows computer. So make sure you are in front of your computer, ready to follow along, and let's get started.
So first things first, we need to download Java from the official source. Open up your browser and type Java 21 download. Now open the link from oracle.com. You want to make sure you are downloading from the official Oracle website to avoid any unsafe and outdated versions. So once you're in there, navigate and select the Java 21 option. Okay, proceeding further, you will be shown different versions of the JDK for different operating systems. As you can see over here, you are being shown Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. We are interested in Windows for this tutorial. So click on the Windows. When you click over there, you can see three options available. You have to make sure that you are clicking on the x64 installer. That is because most modern computers run on 64-bit. So go ahead and select the Windows x64 installer link. Click the downloadable link button, accept the license agreement if prompted, and wait for the file to finish downloading. It shouldn't take long depending on your internet speed. Alright. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer file to run it. Windows might ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes. Just go ahead and click yes. The Java setup wizard will open up. Simply click next, choose your installation folder, or leave it as the default. I recommend you to leave it as it is and click next again. Java will now begin installing on your machine. Alright, now this is a step that a lot of tutorials skip, but it's really important. We need to set up something called the environmental variables so that your computer knows where Java is installed. Here's how to do it. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. At the bottom, click on Environmental Variables. Under System Variables, scroll down and find a variable called Path. Click on it and then click Edit. Now click New and type in the path to your Java bin folder. By default, it looks something like C #program files #java #jdk your version #the bin. Alright, click OK on all the windows to save your changes. Don't worry if this feels a little confusing at first. Just pause the video, follow along, and you'll get it. Alright, we're almost done here. Now let's make sure Java was installed correctly. Open up your command prompt. You can do that by pressing the Windows key and typing cmd. Hit enter. Once it's open, type the following command, java-version, and press enter. If Java was installed successfully, you'll see the version number printed on the screen. That's it. Java is now officially installed and ready to go on your Windows machine.
Alright, my fellow learners. This is a wrap up for today's Java installation tutorial. If you have any doubts regarding the same, comment down in the comment section and I will get back to you. In the next video, we will jump straight in to write our very first Java program. See you in the next one.